Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we have an exciting feature for all you travelers and beauty enthusiasts out there. We're diving into the world of travel organization with the NISHEL Travel Toiletry Bag, a product that has garnered rave reviews for being the best small makeup travel organizer. Whether you're jet-setting across the globe or heading out for a weekend getaway, having a reliable way to store your beauty essentials is a must. The NISHEL Travel Toiletry Bag is not just any toiletry bag. It's designed specifically with the modern woman in mind. At first glance, you'll notice its stylish pink exterior, but what really sets this bag apart is its functionality. Measuring 10.4 by 4.5 by 8 inches, it offers ample space without taking up too much room in your luggage. This medium-sized organizer is perfect for holding all your travel-sized toiletries, from shampoos and conditioners to brushes and makeup accessories. One of the standout features of the NISHEL Travel Toiletry Bag is its thoughtful interior organization system. Upon unzipping, you'll find 4 separate compartments that ensure everything has its place. This means no more digging through a chaotic pile of products to find your favorite lipstick or face cream. Each item can be neatly stored and easily accessed, saving you precious time while getting ready. And here's a game changer. It includes a transparent window for quick visibility during security checks at the airport. No one likes to hold up the line rummaging through their bag, and this clever feature allows you to breeze through with ease. Plus, the bag folds down compactly when not in use, making it a breeze to pack. Now, let's talk accessibility. The NISHEL bag comes with a sturdy hook that allows you to hang it virtually anywhere. Whether it's in a hotel bathroom, on a towel rack, or even on the back of a door. This feature means that all your essentials are right at your fingertips, making the often chaotic process of getting ready feel much more organized. What I love about the NISHEL Travel Toiletry Bag is its blend of practicality and style. It's not just a functional item, it's a fashionable accessory that you won't mind showing off. Plus, the quality of the materials used means it's durable enough to withstand the rigors of travel. In terms of price, it's incredibly competitively priced at just $16.99. With its quality construction and thoughtful design, this bag is truly a steal. So, whether you're a frequent flyer or just someone who enjoys well-organized travel, the NISHEL Travel Toiletry Bag is definitely worth considering. Its smart design and stylish appearance make it the ultimate travel companion for your beauty essentials. Thanks for tuning into Product Critique. If you're interested in the NISHEL Travel Toiletry Bag, check the link in the description below to grab yours today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more product reviews and recommendations. Until next time, travel well and stay organized.